Pictures on your screens right now are of the Prime Minister meeting Lal Krishna Advani. The Prime Minister seeking Advani's blessings before staking claim. The Prime Minister, in a symbolic gesture, has met BJP stalwart veteran leader Lal Krishna Advani. The former Deputy Prime Minister of India, Lal Krishna Advani, giving audience to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who is all set to in fact stake claim once again to form the government and be sworn in as the Prime Minister for the third time. Prime Minister Narendra Modi right now meeting Lal Krishna Advani, and these are pictures exclusive on your screens right now. This comes at a time when the Prime Minister has just got support from alliance partners Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar, and these parties putting their faith on the Prime Minister have in fact indeed said that they're ready to join hands and to form the NDA once again to give an opportunity to the Prime Minister for a third term essentially. Paulami Saha getting asked more details on that story. Paulami, we are playing out these pictures of Prime Minister Modi meeting with BJP stalwart right now, Lal Krishna Advani, in a move which is symbolic of the fact that the BJP respects those, in fact, who built this party from the scratch at a time when this party, the BJP, had 2 seats in parliament till the time in 2019 when they rose to over 300.
That's right, Sneha. The Prime Minister there, of course, in a symbolic gesture, as you said, seeking the blessings of LK Advani, paying him a visit before the NDA formally stakes claim to form a government under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Third consecutive time, equaling the record of former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. This is, of course, a momentous occasion as far as political history is concerned. The Prime Minister, of course, remembered the founding fathers of the National Democratic Alliance when he gave that speech inside Central Hall in the old building of Parliament today before the NDA MPs, and he spoke about, he reminisced about the contribution of stalwarts like Sharad Yadav, George Fernandes, Barasaheb Thackeray, Shiromani Akali Dal Chief late Prakash Singh Badal. He mentioned about their names. He spoke about how this is an alliance which has weathered the storms, stood together for the longest time. Some of these allies have been with each other. There are new allies, of course, on board, but many of these are old allies who've stayed together for a very, very long time. He spoke about the fact that this is the 4th time that the NDA will be forming a government after forming it already 3 times for 5 consecutive terms. So clearly, for 3 consecutive terms, of course, he's speaking of the past as well as his tenure as well. So this is the 4th time, and he is very confident that this is a pre-poll alliance, which, of course, has ensured massive victory for itself, despite, of course, the challenge that they face, the stiff challenge that they face from the opposition, this time round from the ground. But to have weathered that storm, to have been back in pole position in order to comfortably form alliance, to form government with their pre-poll alliance partners itself, not having to cobble together numbers, bringing in others on board. He said that that in itself is a big achievement, and that is owing to the contribution of those who were the founding fathers of the National Democratic Alliance, and LK Advani, of course, one of those, Lal Krishna Advani, and his contribution, of course, the BJP there recognizing with the Prime Minister going to his residence as the NDA stakes claim to form government.
Well, absolutely. Paulami getting asked those details. I'm going to ask you to be with us. Aishwarya is also getting asked more on that big story that we're tracking even as we stay with these pictures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi right now at the residence of Lal Krishna Advani. He's meeting him before Aishwarya, the NDA, all ready to stake claim to form the government. Aishwarya.
We have seen how all the leaders, they spoke and praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself actually said that this is a historic mandate, and he also went ahead and said that we do not discriminate. He in fact congratulated the MPs who have won from the opposition also. And apart from that, he spoke about the fact of how NDA in fact was performed, and now we are seeking Prime Minister Narendra Modi, before he takes oath as the third Prime Minister of the country, going to meet L.K. Advani, meeting his daughter, meeting his mentor, L.K. Advani, and those visuals coming out on the screens, Sneha. So definitely Prime Minister is all set for the historic mandate, and one thing is very, very clear. We might see a little bit of tweaking of the schemes, but the government is very clear. The kind of development work that we have seen, the kind of schemes that we have seen for the different sectors across the country, that definitely will continue in the next 5 years also. And Prime Minister, in fact, also said that I am telling you, and I am telling you with a lot of surety, but I am also telling you, being a little cautious, that for the next 10 years, the NDA will work very, very hard. So definitely giving them a target of not just what's ahead for 5 years, but giving all the NDA members a target for the next 10 years.
That's right. Aishwarya, be with us.